Hello, my name is Tony Jones, and I'm Category Management for Site Infrastructure here at Tesco. Today I'm going to be talking to you about CommScope's all-new ValuLine Antenna. CommScope's new ValuLine HX and USX microwave antenna helps solve your backhaul capacity challenges today and tomorrow. As a dual-band, dual-polarization solution with excellent XPD performance, one ValuLine antenna replaces as many as 4 standard microwave antennas, so you can boost capacity while lowering your total cost of ownership. As a certified FCC Category A solution that also reduces energy consumption, the ValuLine is more sustainable as well. The uniqueness of the ValuLine antenna is its dual-band, dual-polarization design, which produces excellent gain and consistent radiation pattern envelopes. One ValuLine antenna does the work of 2 single-frequency dual-pole antennas or 4 single-frequency single-pole antennas, so you save on tower leasing, maintenance, energy consumption, and infrastructure requirements. With 6 GHz and 11 GHz band support, the ValuLine antenna is ideal for high-capacity, long-haul connectivity and can provide much-needed backup for critical links. And by consolidating multiple links in one solution, you save room on the tower for future expansion. The ValuLine antenna is an FCC Category A and ETSI 302/217 compliant antenna. Using CommScope's state-of-the-art antenna testing facility, CommScope tests and plots actual real-time patterns, not just computer simulations, so you can be assured that the RPEs you receive are from actual data. The mount design is consistent with other 6-foot CommScope antennas for faster, easier installation and alignment. The CommScope ValuLine antenna improves performance by boosting capacity with dual frequency, dual polarization, providing high gain, consistently accurate radiated pattern performance, offering excellent XPD to minimize interference, and supporting 6 GHz and 11 GHz for reliable long-haul connectivity. It also reduces cost by being FCC Category A compliant and replacing as many as 4 microwave backhaul antennas with one. Fewer antennas means lower tower leasing cost and potentially costly tower modifications. XPD performance limits the need for network optimization, while the antenna can also be used as a backup for critical links to ensure service availability. Lastly, the antenna helps simplify and speed up deployment because you can use the same mount as all CommScope 6-foot HX and USX antennas. By deploying one antenna instead of multiple antennas, CommScope ValuLine should be your antenna of choice. Thank you for watching today. If you have any other questions about the CommScope ValuLine antenna, please let me know via email or phone call, and stay tuned for other supplier spotlight videos coming soon.